लियाकत मीरानी क्लासरूम मां ऐं अॼु जेको पीरियड वठण या पीरियड ॾेखारण जो हिकिड़ो तरीक़ो मां जॾहिं बि फिक्स थींदो आहियां कंहिं क्लास में या फिक्स कराईंदो आहियां पंहिंजो पाण खे टीचर्स जी शॉर्टेज में ऑलरेडी प्रिंसिपल इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल आल्सो टू गो इन क्लासिस ठीकु आहे त उन सां इहो हूंदो आहे त जॾहिं प्रिंसिपल क्लासिस में वञी पाण पीरियड फिक्स कराईंदो आहे या को ॿ पीरियड वठंदो आहे त उन में इहो फ़ाइदो हूंदो आहे त ॿारनि जी फीडबैक ईज़िली मिली वेंदी आहे उन्हनि जी कवरेज उस्तादनि जी जेका टेस्टूं या ॿी जेका बि फीडबैक हूंदी आहे उहा ईज़िली असांखे प्रिंसिपल खे मिली सघंदी आहे त हमेशह प्रिंसिपल जे लाइ इहा गाइड आहे त उहो क्लासिस में वञी ॿार सां इंटरेक्शन करे फिक्सचर वठे पढ़ाए ऐं पोइ उनखे ॾिसो अॼु मां सदाईं जॾहिं बि वेंदो आहियां अंग्रेजी पीरियड में त दिस इज़ माई पैटर्न टू अट्रैक्ट स्टूडेंट्स and be conscious always they are busy with the board and active and replying so this is a very such nice activity scrabble game ma baran ke khedaindo ayan mostly it belongs to angrezi the sadai ma t sa teacher jo lafz budhi start kando ayan par aju ma aim sa start kandam bada mukhe ine jo rule ye hundo to bada aim sa jeke bhi word generate kanda उहे ॿुधाईंदा उन्हनि खे पोइ पंहिंजे जुमलनि में इस्तेमालु कंदा उन्हनि जी माना ॿुधाईंदा कंहिं खां मां स्पेलिंग बि पुछी वठंदुसि सो टुडे पहिरियों करेक्टर जेको आहे उहो आहे एम मां ॾिसां त एम ते ॿार जेके आहिनि से कहिड़ो लफ़्ज़ ठाहिनि था ऐं उहो कीअं थिए थो प्लीज़ हा यस दिस बॉय इज़ मदर वेरी गुड क्लैपिंग फॉर मदर प्लीज़ सो व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ मदर इन उर्दू और इन सिंधी Ma, use in your sentence, please.
My mother is the best in the universe.
My mother is the best in the universe. Very nice word, please. Now, it's a very good. Now, there's another chance for Ania. Name introduce, please. Adia. Adia, you make a sentence for mother.
My mother is very kind.
My mother is a very kind. Really, very good. Shabash. And you, please. You.
I love my mother.
I love my mother. Everyone loves mother. So God bless you. Hi, gentlemen. Kadir.
My world is my mother.
My world is my mother. Just usage of the word. So this word is mother, and the meaning of mother is ma. And okay, you are using very frequently in a sentence. So this is a very nice exposure. So now the mother is a very nice word here. M-O-T-H-E-R. Now the word is H. The words from English language start with the H, please. Who tell me? H think. जेके लफ़्ज़ H सां start थियनि अंग्रेज़ीअ में उन्हनि जी माना बि ॿुधाईंदव ऐं उन खां पोइ उनखे पंहिंजे जुमिले में बि इस्तेमालु कंदव. Now H, please. H.
Horse.
Horse. Please use in your sentence.
I want to learn horse riding.
Oh yes, she wants to learn horse riding. Very good. Another word, yes please.
Honey.
Honey, use in a sentence.
Honey is so sweet.
Honey is so sweet. Clapping please. Yes. Adia please.
There is no place like home.
There is no place like home. Really very good. Clapping shabash. So and another boy. Use gentlemen. Hot. Yes. You.
I eat hot pizza.
I like hot pizza. Yes, very good. Word is HAPPY. This is the word happy man खुशी and you know ठीक है हाँ एरो लफ्ज़ मुझे बुधायो जो वाई ते ख़त्म थी मिसाल तौर ते fly वाई ते कहिड़ो लफ्ज़ ये no yes उन्हें जो वो लफ्ज़ बुधाईंदव उन्हें जी माना बुधाईंदव ऐं उनखे जुमले में इस्तेमालु कंदव अहिड़ा खोड़ लफ़्ज़ yes अहिड़ा जुमला हूंदा त ज़बरदस्त हाँ yes you
Dry.
very good.
I love dry fruits.
I love dry fruits. The climate is dry today. Climate is dry. Dry mana? Sugar ya khush. Okay. So another word who just end on a Y. Yes.
Sir,
Ma. Yes, very good. Ma.
Sir, my name is
My name is Bilal. Very nice use and very quick use. Yes, you
Sir, try.
try. Very good word, huh?
Try is key to success.
Try key to success. Very nice word. Very good. Shabash. So try. Try is another good word. What? Try. माना कोशिश कन. जेके हाने लफ्ज़ इंदो टी जे लफ्ज़ ज़हन में सोचींदो, उनजी माना सोचींदो, उनखे जुमले में इस्तेमाल कंदो. Now word is tea. Yes, yes. Tree. Tree. Very good. Tree. Sentence.
This tree is beautiful.
This tree is a very beautiful. Yes, you.
Tea.
Huh?
Tea.
Tea. Very good.
Tea is hot.
Tea is hot. Very good. Yes, you.
Toy.
Toy. Yes. Girls always be like a toys to play. Yes.
Yesterday I bought a new toy.
Yesterday,
I bought a new toy.
I bought some new toy. Very good. Very nice. Beta.
Sir, tears.
Tears. Oh, tears. Yes.
I saw tears in his eyes.
I saw tears in his eyes. Yes, boys side, please. Yes, you gentlemen. Yes.
Tiger.
Tiger. Very good. You like animals? Which is your favorite animal?
Tiger.
Tiger. Now just sentence on a tiger.
Tiger is the king of jungle.
Tiger is the king of jungle. Lion is the king of jungle. So this is. Sit down. Sit down. This is just a sample how to engage and alert the students during the class. You just play a game. Students' interest must be towards the board and yours. They always be conscious and thinking and making. There is a lot of the fun over in a class, just activity, and this is a very great support to the English language, and this is increasing vocabulary, increasing meaning, have a word preparation and their meaning and usage in grammar and in a sentence is a big chance for everyone. And I request to the principal or head teachers that when they are visiting a classroom, they must have their some plan to be engage the class properly, and the attention of the students must be towards the teacher and on a board. They must be conscious, alert, and they try to be reply, and the competition between also students. So thank you very much. This is just a pattern. So care भी दोस्त जेकॾहिं कॾहिं क्लास में फिक्सर जे तौर ते वञे अहिड़े क़िस्म जूं एक्टिविटीज़ जनरेट कयो जो ॿारनि जो तवजो ऐं ॿारनि जो ध्यानु तव्हां न रहे ऐं तव्हां बहितर नमूने सां उन टाइम खे प्रॉपर यूज़ करे सघो. लियाकत मीरानी क्लासरूम मां जेकॾहिं तव्हां सम्झो था त इहे क्लिप्स ऐं टिप्स तव्हां असांजी तालीम जी बहितरी जे लाइ, उस्ताद जी बहितरी जे लाइ, इदारनि जी बहितरी जे लाइ, त मुंहिंजे चैनल खे सब्सक्राइब कयो. थैंक यू वेरी मच. हेल्प, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. गॉड ब्लेस यू. प्लीज़. अल्लाह.